Good morning everyone. Today we will gonna read our chapter 23, Pochampally. So let's start. Vani and Prasad live in a village
Vani and Prasad lived in a village
called Muktapur.
called Muktapur.
Their home is always filled with
Their home is always filled with
bundles of bright colored threads.
bundles of bright colored threads.
Their mother and father
And father
and everyone else
and everyone else
in the family
in the family
are weavers.
are neighbors.
The weaving that they do is very beautiful and special.
Is very beautiful and special.
Muktapur village is in the Pochampally town
Muktapur village is in the Pochampally town
under of Telangana.
under Telangana.
Most of the families
Most of the families
in this town
in this town
are weavers.
are weavers.
That is why
That is why
the special cloth
the special cloths
that they weave
that they weave
is called Pochampally.
is called Pochampally.
The villagers have been doing this work
The villagers have been doing this work
for a long time.
for a long time.
Vani and Prasad's parents
Vani and Prasad's parents
learnt weaving
learned weaving
from their elders.
from their elders.
For the teacher,
For the teacher,
make the children aware
make the children aware
that most traditional arts
that most traditional arts
are learnt at home.
are learned at home.
There are many different handicrafts
There are many different handicrafts
to be learnt like Pochampally.
to be learned like Pochampally.
You could discuss
You could discuss
other traditional occupations
other traditional occupations
like carpet weaving,
like carpet weaving,
toy making,
toy making,
itra production,
egg production,
etc.
etc.
Process of making Pochampally saris.
Process of making Pochampally sarees.
Looking around.
Looking around.
Now Vani and Prasad
Now Vani and Prasad
also help their parents
also help their parents
after coming back from school.
after coming back from school.
This weaving requires hard work
This weaving requires hard work
and many different things
and many different things
have to be done
have to be done
before actually weaving.
before actually weaving.
From thread to cloth.
From thread to cloth.
Father brings bundles of thread
Father brings bundle of thread
from Pochampally town.
from Pochampally town.
Mother then puts these threads
Mother then put these threads
in boiling water
in boiling water
to wash away
to wash away
the dirt and stains.
the dirt and stains.
Then everybody works to dye the thread
Then everybody works to dye the thread
with bright colors.
with bright colors.
These threads
These threads
are then dried and rolled
are then dried and rolled
into bundles.
into bundles.
These bundles
These bundles
are put onto looms
are put onto looms
and the cloth is woven.
and the cloth is woolen.
Silk cloth
Silk cloth
and silk saris
and silk sarees
are woven from the silk thread.
are woven from the silk thread.
Cotton thread
Cotton thread
is used to weave cotton saris.
is used to weave cotton sarees.
Cloth,
Cloth,
seeds,
sheets,
etc.
etc.
The loom
The loom
has many needles.
has many needles.
The size
The size
and number of the needles
and the number of the needles
changes according to the design.
changes according to the design.
The weavers
The weavers
weave the beautiful Pochampally saris
weave the beautiful Pochampally sarees
in bright colors.
in bright color.
Through their traditional craft,
Through their traditional craft,
they have made their region world famous.
they have made their region world famous.
A craft in danger.
A craft in danger.
Great skill is needed
Great skill is needed
to weave such special saris.
to weave such special sarees.
It also takes many days
It also takes many days
of hard labor.
of hard labor.
After all this,
After all this,
it is difficult to get a good price
it is difficult to get a good price
for these saris.
for these sarees.
Silk is becoming expensive day by day.
Silk is becoming expensive day by day.
Big shopkeepers
Big shopkeepers
give very little money
give very little money
for the saris,
for the saris,
though they themselves sell them
though they themselves sell them
at very high price.
at very high price.
That is why
That is why
many weavers are giving up their family craft.
many weavers are giving up their family craft.
Many are leaving their villages
Many are leaving their villages
to work as a laborers
to work as a laborers
in big cities.
in big cities.
We need to solve this problem
We need to solve this problem
by helping them get a better price.
by helping them get a price.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
this precious craft
this precious craft
will be lost forever.
will be lost forever.
For the teacher,
For the teacher,
in many traditional occupations,
in many traditional occupations,
different kind of tools
different kinds of tools
and skills are used.
and skills are used.
Emphasize that the entire family
Emphasize that the entire family
participates in making one thing
participate in making one thing
and that everybody has different responsibilities
and that everybody has different responsibilities
and duties.
and duties.
Pochampally
Pochampally
discuss Vani and Prasad
Vani and Prasad
learn this beautiful craft
learn this beautiful craft
from their family members
from their family members
when they grow up.
when they grow up.
Do you think
Do you think
they will be able to teach their children
they will be able to teach their children
the skills of this craft?
the skills of this craft?
Write in your notebook.
Write in a notebook.
Have you ever seen anybody
Have you ever seen anybody
weave something on a loom?
weave something on a loom?
What were they weaving
What were they weaving
and where?
and where?
The threads of a sari
The thread of a sari
are dyed.
are dyed.
Do you know
Do you know
of any other thing
of any other things
that is dyed?
that is dyed?
If you visit Vani's village,
If you visit Vani's village,
it seems
it seems
as if the entire village
as if the entire village
is weaving saris.
is weaving saris.
Do you know
Do you know
of any other work
of any other work
which many people living in one place do?
which many people living in one place do?
Do they make some article?
Do they make some articles?
Find out the process
Find out the process
of making the article.
of making the article.
What are the different steps?
What are the different steps?
Do men and women
Do men and women
do different kinds of work
do different kinds of work
to make this article?
to make this article?
Do children also contribute
Do children also contribute
in making this article?
in making this article?
Find out and write.
Find out and write.
Talk to an ironsmith,
Talk to an ironsmith,
a carpenter,
a carpenter,
and a potter
and a potter
about the nature of their work.
about the nature of their work.
Where did they learn to do their work?
Where did they learn to do their work?
What else
What else
did they need to learn
did they need to learn
to be able to do this work?
to be able to do this work?
Have they taught this work
Have they taught this work
to anybody
to anybody
in their family
in their family
or to anyone else?
or to anyone else?
The table below
The table below
has a list of
has a list of
different kinds of work
different kinds of work
that people do.
that people do.
Do you know
Do you know
people who do such work
people who do such work
write their names
write their names
in the first column,
in the first column,
in the next column,
in the next column,
write from
right from
who have they learnt their work,
who have they learned from their
kind of work,
kind of work,
name of people you know who do this work,
name of people,
where did they learn this work from,
where did they learn this work from?
cloth weaving,
Cloth weaving,
cooking,
cooking,
cycle repair,
cycle repair,
flying aeroplanes,
flying aeroplanes,
sewing and embroidery,
sewing and embroidery,
singing,
singing,
making shoes,
making shoes,
flying kites,
flying kites,
farming,
farming,
cutting hair.
cutting hair.
Prasad and Vani's parents
Prasad and Vani's parents
from their elders.
from their elders.
For the teacher,
For the teachers,
there are many places like Pochampally in India
there are many places like Pochampally in India
that are famous for making special things.
that are famous for making special things.
These things have become famous
These things have become famous
by the name of the place
by the name of the place
where they are made,
where they have made,
like Kullu salts,
like Guru salts,
Madhubani paintings,
Madhubani paintings,
Assam silk,
Assam silk,
Kashmiri embroidery,
Kashmiri embroidery,
etc.
etc.
Do you know
Do you know
any more examples?
any more examples?
Discuss this in the class.
Discuss this in the class.